Alright guys, we got our fuel tank in, we got our sending unit hooked up. I ended up running a rubber hose from this wheel well to the fuel tank because it was twisted on the hard line. So we needed to cut that off to make sure we didn't have any issues. So it's a rubber line there. It's secured in place pretty good, but we got all our other connections done. And got my exhaust system done, so got that side all matted up, and I gunked all Permatex on there just to make sure the wells didn't leak because I'm a stickler for that. Even got the grommet in here and a new rubber line here as well, so fuel system is all hooked up now. Not as much done as I thought I would, but that's the way it goes sometimes. And on the bright side, it looks like this stuff is going to sand off, so it's now cured and does sand down. Peace.